Now we are joined by Ruchi Anand from LinkedIn. Hello, ma'am. How has your day been in this conference today?
Wonderful. So thank you, ETHR. I think this is your fifth conference, and as LinkedIn, we're excited to partner with you for another year. It's really been good to kind of hear industry experts and hear how the practitioner's view is coming into play at the moment.
How has your organization helped in improving the skills for India?
See, from the last 1 year specifically, I would want to kind of share LinkedIn and Microsoft came up with the Work Trend Index. And as per that, what we're seeing is that just between last year and this year, we've seen that AI has moved from hype to handbook. And India is kind of leading the charge. We see more and more Indians not just interested or wanting to know about AI, but they're actually learning. The number of AI skills in India is highest. 92% of Indians versus 75% globally have been, really deepening their skills and using AI today. So, as far as skills are concerned, I would just say one thing that it's always a mix of, as much as yes, you do need to get proficient with at least the basics of what kind of AI skills do I need to be successful. So you could be anywhere on the pyramid, either basic, just trying to understand or apply, or going right up to the deeply specializing level. But one thing is for sure, that the human aspect of human skills as well as behavioral skills actually become more and more important, and they become front and center to be successful, because that's where AI today is actually enabling us to be more creative, more compassionate, as well as more clear. So I would say that these are things that are really important to be successful.
Thank you for your insights, ma'am.